Welcome to FF Systems, the global leader in high-quality construction solutions. Since our founding in 1991, we've been dedicated to exceeding customer expectations and meeting their needs with exceptional products. With 10 production sites worldwide and customers in over 40 countries, our commitment to quality and innovation remains unwavering. Our product range includes professional installation solutions for access panels and manhole covers made of galvanized steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, all meeting the highest quality standards and certified fire protection requirements. With a focus on continuous product development, we deliver innovative solutions tailored to your construction needs. Join our satisfied clients who trust FF Systems for their construction projects, knowing they receive unparalleled quality and service. FF Systems, quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction at the forefront. We create solutions.